This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Walk to the kids to Lamar Schools. This 3-bed 2-bath home sits directly behind Lamar Schools and is walking distance to school in the park. It has a spacious kitchen and living room, a master bathroom and a large laundry room. With 1 acre plus / according to tax records, it has ample room for the kids to play. Repair and reap the rewards. This is a great opportunity. Call for your showing today. Will not qualify for FHA, VA, USDA-RD or conventional lending. For more information, review the details below or contact Dylan Stanley at 479-747-1290.